what's up? And welcome back to another assignment video. Wow, assignment videos. I've been making a lot, have I? So to be honest, there's a lot of assignment here in uni, so I can't help it, okay? Right, for this assignment video, I'm going to try and interpret an English-speaking cooking video. Get it? Into bahasa. Okay, so what I've picked here is an Indian dish in the channel Food with Chetna, and it's how to make the perfect chapati. And I'm sure many Indians know what chapati is, right? You eat them at breakfast, lunch, dinner, maybe? Okay, so Namaste bhaiya or mera bhen, Didi, and witness my interpretation skills. Booyah. Let's do this, man. First I gotta set this up though. Okay, wait. Camera all set up, looking good. Whew. Okay, let's do this. Do it! Do it! Moving the cursor. Okay. I've only seen this video like not thoroughly, okay? Do it for real this time.
Hi guys, welcome to Food with Chetna. Today I'm going to show you how to make chapati.
Hai teman-teman pemirsa, dan selamat datang di Food with Chetna. Hari ini saya akan menunjukkan kepada Anda cara membuat chapati.
All I've got here is some chapati flour.
Yang saya punya di sini hanyalah tepung chapati.
Few people wrote to me and said that the chapatis are quite brittle and hard and they go quite crispy.
Beberapa orang menulis kepada saya dan mengatakan bahwa chapati cukup rapuh dan keras dan menjadi sangat renyah.
So to avoid that, the best thing to do is add a teaspoon of oil and give it a mix.
Jadi untuk menghindari itu, langkah terbaik yang harus dilakukan adalah menambahkan 1 sendok teh minyak dan kemudian diaduk.
Every brand of flour takes different amounts of water. So
Setiap merek tepung membutuhkan jumlah air yang berbeda.
all I do is fill a jug and then just slowly add it to the flour and kind of bring it together.
Jadi yang saya lakukan hanyalah mengisi teko dan kemudian perlahan menambahkannya ke tepung dan kayak menyatukannya.
Just in case it does go a little wet, just add a bit more flour.
Jika menjadi sedikit basah, silakan tambahkan tepung lagi.
And see, it's not wet, it's not really hard, it's
Dan lihat ini, tidak basah, tidak terlalu keras.
just the right consistency, and this will roll out so beautifully.
Dan ini mempunyai konsistensi yang tepat. Dan ini hasilnya akan menjadi bagus, indah.
Just put a tiny bit of oil in your palms and just smoothen it out.
Cukup taruh sedikit minyak di telapak tangan Anda dan haluskan. Dan cukup haluskan.
And now this really needs to rest for 10 to 15 minutes.
Dan sekarang ini benar-benar perlu istirahat atau didiamkan selama 10 hingga 15 menit.
If you are not making it after 15 minutes, it can stay in the fridge up to 2 to 3 days.
Jika Anda tidak membuatnya setelah 15 menit, ini bisa ditinggal di dalam lemari es selama 2 hingga 3 hari.
And we'll just take a small portion, just roll it with your palm of the hands.
Dan kami di sini hanya akan mengambil sebagian kecil lalu menggulungnya dengan telapak tangan Anda.
I always have some dry flour in a box because
Saya selalu memiliki tepung kering di dalam kotak.
whenever I'm making chapati, I need it to just cover the dough in it.
Karena setiap kali saya membuat chapati, saya membutuhkannya untuk menutupi adonan di dalamnya.
You can roll it however you like. So I
Anda dapat menggulungnya sesuka Anda.
basically roll it and the chapati is rolling itself, and
Jadi pada dasar
that really is it.
Jadi pada dasarnya saya menggulung dan chapatinya berputar sendiri, dan itu saja.
So I've got the skillet heated now.
Jadi saya punya wajan yang sedang dipanasin.
It needs to be nice and hot before you put your chapati on this.
Jadi wajannya harus benar-benar dipanaskan dengan benar sebelum menaruh chapatinya di atasnya.
So after a few seconds, you can see that the chapati is starting to bubble up.
Jadi setelah beberapa detik, Anda dapat melihat bahwa chapati mulai menggelembung.
Now that stage, just turn it around.
Di dalam tahap itu, putar saja.
It's not cooked on this side yet, but you just flip it.
Jadi belum begitu matang di sisi ini, tapi dibalik saja.
So that's your first turn.
Jadi ini merupakan putaran pertama Anda.
And then you let it cook for a few more seconds till it's done on the other side. You can
Dan kemudian Anda membiarkannya masak selama beberapa detik lagi sampai selesai di sisi ini.
check if you want, and if you don't want to burn yourself, just check it like this.
Anda boleh memeriksa, dan jika tidak ingin membakar jika tidak ingin membakar diri Anda sendiri, periksa saja seperti ini.
And when you turn it around for the second time with a clean tea towel, just press it on the side, not in the center, but on.
Dan kemudian untuk memutarnya untuk kedua kalinya, pakailah handuk. Cukup tekan di sisinya, bukan di tengah.
The sides, and then it just puffs up.
Dan itu menggelembung begitu saja.
If you want it to remain nice and soft, you can put some butter on it.
Jika ingin kelihatan tetap bagus dan lembut, Anda dapat mengoleskan dengan mentega di atasnya.
Or if you want some ghee.
Atau pakai beberapa ghee. Ghee itu saus kayak India, ya. It's a sauce from India.
Or if you just want to go for some oil, then oil.
Atau jika Anda hanya ingin pakai minyak, pakailah saja minyak.
But I prefer to use butter.
Tetapi saya lebih suka menggunakan mentega.
Wrap it up in foil, and if you keep them, they will last for a couple of days as well.
Bungkus dengan foil, dan jika Anda menyimpannya, mereka akan bertahan selama beberapa hari juga.
Well, and you can reheat them in a microwave or on a pan again.
Dan Anda dapat memanaskannya kembali di dalam microwave atau di atas wajan lagi.
With practice, you can make them really, really fast.
Dengan banyak latihan, Anda bisa membuatnya sangat-sangat cepat.
And you will never look at shop bought wraps again.
Dan Anda tidak akan pernah melihat atau menggunakan Shabbat wraps lagi.
So give them a go, and thanks for joining me today.
Jadi cobalah untuk membuat chapati ini, dan terima kasih sudah bergabung dengan saya hari ini. Woo! That is it, guys. So how did I do? Okay. So that's it for this assignment video. Whew. That's one assignment off my to-do list. And I'd like to say that I'm sorry if I've made any mistakes or errors in the interpretation that I've given you. Because guys, it's my first time, so please cut me some slack, right? Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll be linking the link to the video of how to make the perfect chapati in the description. Okay, so if you guys want to check that out, go click it. And if you like the video, go give it a thumb like. thumbs up, smash that like button.
Do it!
And I'll see you at the next video or assignment video. Bye!